In 2025, the landscape of side hustles is evolving, and AI is at the forefront of this transformation. Let's dive into 7 AI-powered side hustles that can help you tap into scalable income opportunities. First up, AI content writing services. With tools like ChatGPT and Jasper, you can offer businesses high-quality written content without spending hours crafting each piece. These platforms can generate blog posts, social media updates, and even marketing copy in minutes. You can charge clients per word or project, making it a flexible and lucrative option. Next, consider faceless YouTube automation. By leveraging AI tools like Pictory, you can create engaging videos without ever appearing on camera. You can automate video creation by using scripts generated by AI, pairing them with stock footage and voiceovers. This allows you to build a channel that generates passive income through ad revenue, all while maintaining your privacy. The third side hustle is AI art for print on demand. With tools like Midjourney, you can create stunning artwork that can be printed on various products, from t-shirts to mugs. Once you design your pieces, you can upload them to platforms like Redbubble or Teespring, where they handle production and shipping. You earn money every time someone buys your design. Moving on, AI for research and data entry jobs is another promising avenue. Many companies are looking for efficient ways to gather and analyze data. With AI tools, you can streamline these processes, offering your services to businesses that need assistance with research, data entry, or even market analysis. This is a great way to leverage AI to save time and increase productivity for your clients. Fifth on the list is chatbot setup for businesses. Many companies are turning to AI chatbots to improve customer service and engagement. If you have a knack for technology, you can help businesses set up and customize chatbots using platforms like ManyChat or Chatfuel. This service is in high demand, and you can charge a premium for your expertise. Next, think about building a digital product using AI. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or a software tool, AI can help you create high-quality content quickly. You can use AI to generate ideas, outline your material, and even design graphics. Once your product is ready, you can sell it on platforms like Gumroad or your own website, generating income with minimal ongoing effort. Finally, consider offering resume and cover letter services. With AI tools, you can help job seekers craft compelling resumes and cover letters tailored to specific job descriptions. This service is invaluable, especially in a competitive job market. You can charge a flat fee or offer packages, making it a great way to earn money while helping others succeed. In conclusion, the opportunities presented by AI in 2025 are vast and varied. From content creation to digital products, the potential for scalable income is real. Embracing these AI-powered side hustles not only allows you to leverage cutting-edge technology, but also positions you at the forefront of a rapidly changing job market. The future is bright for those willing to adapt and innovate.